we go perfect. 2 pack of the one time.
No, man.
So now we go to yellow. Yes guys, we're there with another big video today, me and Dirt. Yeah man, cooking, everything there so, yeah man.
Alright, catch one gear now.
Catch you in a bush here.
We have hold on, can we catch one and catch two in the before.
So we have a seasoning in the rice, coconut powder, yeah man, season up your goat. Yeah man, put it on fire. Alright, peeps. Best chef. Say hi my yeah.
Yeah. Real Indian, the man no fake. And nothing don't crap in there. If you curry no banana, you can't flavor meat in that way.
Not a taste, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you, they have best taste for the curry, man.
You put some in the meat and you burn some, man.
Yeah.
You see, when you cover it, when you train the meat, you see it's enough to go. Give me cover. You go back down night and set in the meat. Yeah. Alright, watch me now. When you put this, when you throw this in there, season to go back down in the night. You see that? Don't forget wet.
Alright.
Now go back down and catch your meat and season it to the bone.
You let it run from rain there. Weather. So use the thing man, I do something on people. Yeah man. Fire blaze the rain. Hey guys, see Joe Dirt over there, hide there. Dirt! Come and take it up. Look where I'm there. See him there? Put the phone out there man, I'm blind there. So yes guys, man need to clear hide down there have fun, you know?
Yeah, we not have fun, you know? We not have to wait up in the rain. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them what that is it, guys. Going go the fire cooking.
Show them the pot and the fire and cover it to this thing. Yeah man.
You see it was
Weather, damn, bush life.
What you manage? You know, so put your eyeglass. Yeah, but that's a guy that really got with the light.
Yeah, peeps, so see that out there? Water, storm. Yeah, man.
Nah, man.
Yes, guys, me and Joe there hide from the rain, you know? Yeah, man. Shot a one room with some coconut water. No normal. Where's the dirty? No normal out there.
I'll be here no normal out there. Storm.
Crab bush I go later. Yeah, man.
It's the neck. I need to ask about. But you're not answer.
What?
When me ask you, the neck I ask you.
See my guys, you want a girl? Yeah, man, top dog.
They ask you?
Yeah, man.
Okay, big woman.
You want a big woman, peeps? You know? Yeah, man. Peeps, welcome to the channel. So, get some Fishman Jamaica adventures this year. So, guys, one can go to Rods and Reel. Final Road. Elsha Road. Get on the rod and line, everything. Rods and Reel, you know? Yeah, man. Beauty, you know? yes guys, much road line does me adventures left, you know? Yeah man. And out and over, you know? Jamaica adventures there. Yeah man, we're out, you know? Yeah man. Jamaica adventures, everybody there. Yeah, yes guys, yeah, nice size, you know? Nice. Water, you know? Yeah, nice one come out there. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, you said to me now. Yeah, said to me.
So yes guys, do remember support rods and reel. You see it on Elsha Road. The man coming down Elsha. You see it on the left hand, you know. Go on like a cook shop there, yeah, man. Show your love and support over there. Alright guys, the next one here. Don't know, can't hold the camera in our hand, you know. We have to just take them out of water and see what go on, you know. Yeah, man.
35 pound jack. That's the pilot to scale. I estimate it as 25 pounds. I got me check on it for 35.
Heavy.
One of them man there for me, one of them pump in the same time I pass, you catch it, stop and feed them man. Put it in that beer.
Alright peeps, uncle out there. Yeah, man. Nice one. Nice brim, you know.
Well, I tell you, yeah, man.